Hi friends, in this video I am going to explain how to create a first floor. Already explained how to create the ground floor in Blender in my previous tutorials. You can check out the previous tutorials in my channel. Here I created the cube and two cubes and the window group 3 here. You can observe on the view. This is the ground floor plan. Then after I want to create the top floor. Before I want to create, you can see this is the first cube and this is the second cube. And first I am selecting the cube here on the object mode and go into the object mode and go into the edit mode and select the edge and select this edge and press on shift S and cursor to selected. Then cursor is placed on the edge at the center. Then after go into the object mode and go into the shift plus A. After creating the shift plus A, you can create the mesh and go into the cube. One of the cube is created. Here I want to create the top slab. Then after go into the view by clicking on the one key. Then after select the cube on the object mode and go into the edit mode. Click on the G and select the Z axis. And by using the control key, adjust this cube onto the edge. Again go into the object mode and select this and go into the one by pressing on the view and go into the G option. Here I want to give the x-axis and go into the control. Like this you can create the cube here. And after what to do, select the cube and go into the create. You can observe the item here. You can observe the transform item and give the dimensions to axis 0.2 high. You can observe, and I'm giving the y is 4 meter. You can see what I created on the cube, the dimension I'm giving here, that you can observe. On the Z position, giving again to 0.2. You want to increase the y direction, you can increase, and I want to increase the x direction to where you can see 2.2, and you can observe the slab. Some of the slab part is completed. Then after I want to extrude this face by clicking on the Z wireframe mode and select the object mode and select the cube. Before going to the, after clicking on the wireframe, edit mode and select this. This is by pressing on the shift key. Then after extruded this by using the extrude E and by using the axis y direction or x axis and giving some more distance like this, and go into the object mode here and go into the solid by pressing on the Z key. Here you can observe it is created. If you go into the edit mode, this loop cut is created. Like this you can create. Here I want to increase this edge of the slab also on this top of the 2 meter cube also. I want to increase this first. Then after select the object and go into the edit mode, and for to create the loop cut, control R and press on the left mouse key, and you can adjust this to some distance as your wish. I'm creating the look cut here. And after, it is possible to extrude this face. And after, I'm selecting the object mode, top slab, and create the edit mode, and go into the jet wireframe 4 and select these faces. I want to creating the only vertices you can observe. Again, I want to extrude these to some more distance like this, and you can observe the slab is created, and go into the jet solid and observe the total slab part is completed successfully. Then after, I want to create it on the top first floor. I want to create here. You can observe the slab and go into the object mode here and select these objects, total objects, by pressing on the shift key and give the shift D, or you can click on the right tick. You can observe the duplicate objects and duplicate this, and click on the G and click on the Z using the control option. You can do like this. For example, you can observe the top is created by using the duplicate objects, and go into the one. Observe, you can also adjust by selecting these, clicking on the G and the Z, and adjust by using the Z and the wireframe mode. You can observe. Want to adjust this somewhat, you can adjust this by using the, and go into the jet and go into the solid again, and you can create this successfully. You can observe on the top slab the floor is created. And after, I want to give the here some of the modeling part here. Next, same, the cursor is already here, you can see it is created, and go into the slab and again give the duplicate object. It is moving anywhere you want by pressing on the G and the Z key. Place this like this. Then after, adjust by using the XY axis on views. For example, I'm giving the 3, the side view. I'm selecting the Z and go into the wireframe and go into the select this, or you can also on the solid mode also you can move this by using the G and the X Z key. By using the control, it is adjust on the top. By using the G, using the X or Y, and little bit adjust the slab position of slab like this. Here also you can create like this. It is created slab and observe. Then after, I want to create the end prerequisite part. To create this by using here also the cursor is selected only on that cursor. I want to create a cube here. Go into the shift A on the object mode, give the cube and adjust the cube again by pressing on the 1, and go into the edit mode and select the vertex and G, again Z by using the control, snap it. Again go into the object mode, select the object G, X, clicking on the 1 key and adjust like this. By pressing on the cube, you can adjust the dimension here on the preview, can observe I am giving these two x-axis to 0.2. I want to create this y to z to y 4 meter, 4 meter, 4. See, this is associated. Want to move this by clicking on the G on the X key. Can move this part, and I want to extrude this face by going to the wireframe and select the object, select the edit, and select the vertices. Give the extrude option by using the control. You snap it here and go into the jet, into the solid mode, and observe it is successfully created. You can also decreases this length. For example, go to the select the object mode and select the slab again and go into the jet edit mode. Select all of the vertices here, pressing on the shift key. Simply extruded this somewhat and observe. Like this you can give the extrude and go into the jet and go into the solid. Pressing on the X key, object mode, select this. By using the reduces to, I want to reduce to 3.8 for example. It is reduced, you can observe. Like this you can on the y-axis reduces like this by using the part. Then after go into the, for example, material preview here, go into the tool the X-ray and observe on the glasses and window ground floor and the first floor is successfully created. Like this you can create, go into the solid and go into the tool option, X-ray mode. You can observe the inside view of the halo shape. Like this floor is created. I want to create here one of the door and one of the similar to panel window I want to create, and go into the solid to build the X-ray, and I want to remove the face by selecting the object and go into the edit mode. I want to remove the face by selecting the face option and select the face by pressing the X key or delete key and select the face. I want to create here, I want to create a one of the door here. For this I want to create the edge. For example, I am selecting the object mode and go into the edit mode and select the edge of this and go into the shift S and cursor to selected. The cursor is here, and I want to create the object mode and go into the shift A, go into the mesh, and I want to go into the ArchiMesh. Already explained how to import this add-on, and you can observe the door here. After creating the door, go into the create option, give the rotation to 90 degree. After giving the 90 degree, you can observe the 1.0, 0.8 and 2. I want to give to 2.0 the height of the frame, and go into the model 04 or model 05 and go to the handle. I want to create the handle 03. This is the custom dimensions I created. Then after I want to go to the one, the door is on the exact position. Then also move inside by pressing on the one key, select the door. Here you can select the door group, select the G option, go into the X key, as you can create, and you can observe the door is created. I want to move this door to the end and go into the door group, select the door group, and click on the Z and click on the X key, Z key. You can observe by using the Y, you can adjust this to the panel window. This panel window, the door is exactly there. And again I want to go into the object mode. Here on the select cursor I want to give the shift K key and go into the Archimesh. Here I want to give the panel window and give the panel window rotation to 90 degree. After creating this, give the window group, select the window group and G, pressing on the. After you can observe this is the panel window. How to give the dimensions already explained in previous tutorial. You can observe I am giving the 93 here, 110, 80. Tick the marks or to without the difference of the panel window. Here the door is created. You can observe onto the edge. You want to create the panel window with detailed explanation. You can check out the previous tutorial. You can observe, use the interface and go into the X-ray option, save this file, and you can observe the after saving you can observe the inside view of the object by tool the X-ray option. Here like this you can create, and want to go on to the tool X-ray and go into the material preview. You can observe is the material preview mode. You can observe the glasses and how to give the materials and how to assign the properties. I will explain in the next tutorials. And you can observe we created the ground floor first tutorial. On second tutorial we created the slab, top slab to develop the first floor, and after we developed the duplicate the object similar to the reference floor we created on the first floor. Then after we created some of the lobby area. For this it is looking like a modern house. You can observe this is the basic tutorials for the beginners. I explained some of the examples. I will see you in my next tutorial. Wow.